Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to switch off your iPhone 17 Pro. Friends, in this video, I will show you two simple methods to turn off your iPhone. First of all, open the control center by swiping down from the top right side. After that, you will see a power icon. Press and hold the power icon for 1 second, then release. Then the power off menu will appear on the screen. If you slide this power icon from left to right side, your phone will be turned off. Friends, now I will tell you the second method. To turn off the phone is another way. Press and hold the power button and the volume down button simultaneously. Then the power off menu will appear on the display. Your phone will be power off when you slide this power icon from left side to the right. So friends, in this way you can easily switch off your iPhone. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates.